Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing Rubik's Cube solving one color. So we're gonna be solving it in a speed run. We have a watch here. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna press this button. Press it. Okay, so guys, we don't know how to do any magic tricks and that. So the first color we're gonna do is white. Right? Okay, try and mess it up. Can't finish. Okay. We are good at Rubik's cubes. I'm not kind of good. I can cheat a little bit. Yeah, he kind of does it with cheating. If I can't do it with cheating, I can't solve it. And that's true, guys. I'm gonna do straight through the middle, so I don't get troubled. Guys, I like to go like this. Yeah. Yeah, I got two. I don't know how people solve all the Rubik's Cube. I don't even know how to use one, but we can only do one color. He has done two colors before. So yeah, I've only solved one color. He can solve two colors. Sometimes. Yeah. Like the first time. We're gonna have a race now. First it will be with flicking, so we're gonna do this as well. Okay. So 3, 2. First we're gonna do yellow. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Neil finished. I am. Finish! Okay guys, so he beat me. Okay, what? How do you even do that? Do what? Okay guys, I don't even know what this is. So I'm gonna mess it up. Okay guys, so I lost that round. Next round is gonna be pink. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Where is it? Where's the other pin? Guys. No. Finish. Oh, I'm usually the one who beats him. Sometimes he's the one that beats. Yeah, true. Me? So I've been practicing all of them, but Kurt is not kind of that. So now we're gonna do it without flicking. I can't do that. Okay, so next video we're gonna do it without flicking. So this video, that's it. So see you guys in the next video. But subscribe, because yesterday we reached 15 subscribers. If we reach 20 subscribers, we will make better videos for you. We're gonna upgrade. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.